This is the caps lock. Turn on the caps lock, and if you type the letter T, then you can see that if you either open your Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, then you can type the letter T. And suppose this T is complaint, this T key is complaint, you can type by another method as turn on the number lock key. Now you can see that we have enabled the number lock. Now this is the Alt key. You must press and hold this Alt key. That is, it means you did not remove your finger from this Alt key. So press one finger in this Alt key. At the same time, you must type here 84. After that, you can simply release your finger from this Alt key. So if you type like that, then you can see that the English alphabet, this capital letter T, have been erased. So this is the method, shortcut method, Alt 84. Now this video is for my video. Please like this, you can subscribe and stay with Engineers World Online. Thank you.